All right, everyone, let's get ready for this next match. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. And the winners of that last match.
Yeah, we definitely got a foul for that last thing.
I don't know why I did it. Like, it kind of just veered off and drove, and then it.
Oh, that wasn't you?
I wasn't doing that.
Oh.
I was like, hey, bud. I was like, hey.
I thought that you thought that they were shooting and just like.
I wasn't. No, I like took my hand off because it buzzed, and then it just kind of like.
It's a great start if you want to be a machinist. You want to create stuff, you want to be an engineer. You can go all the way from being college educated out of this class, or you can go from just being a technician. Get out of high school, go run a lathe at a power plant or for a company. I mean, they start at 30 bucks an hour, so right out of high school.
Back before I became a freshman in high school, our coach, Mr. Gillespie, he put flyers out for this middle school robotics team. And I had taken the robotics class thinking, well, I don't know what else to take. So it's just like, oh, I'll play with tiny robots, or I'll build towers out of popsicle sticks. And it turned out to be so much more, using machines, computers, a lot more than I could have dreamed of.
Class helps us build our skills with the machines and the computer-aided design and whatnot. I realized how much I really like doing this and how good I am at doing this, and I can really turn a career out of this.
One of my friends actually came up to me after school and was like, hey, there's this club I'm a part of, and I think you would enjoy it a lot. So I met over here after school one time, and then I just absolutely fell in love with it. I really like the engineering part of it. The people I hang out around are some of my closer friends. It's just an overall fun time here.
For leader, correct? You all have it to bring back? Okay, here's what I want. All leaders come here. I got 5 pops.
Class is where they learn the skills to build a robot, because if they just joined the club, they wouldn't know what they're doing. So the class is where they go, wow, I learned how to design, how to CNC, how to 3D print, and then the club is where they get to apply the skills.
Oh no! We changed everything about the shooter, so now it's tighter and it should be more consistent. We added this little guy, which can read those QR codes. We changed the inside of this sorter. We added a second intake down here, so the intaking is more consistent, and it drives now.
He definitely tries his best to help students learn and like try and have big opportunities. We go to Skills USA, he plans all like the important tournament trips for us. Even when we're like super stressed, he'll make like a joke, and he jokes around a lot, and it makes us feel more comforting, and it gives us like hey, maybe this isn't so bad, maybe we'll like get over it easier, and we always do.
I'm teaching the class because I love working with kids. I love teaching the next generation how to do what we do in industry, inspiring them to be more than what they are now.
We have the 2.5-hour print for the other kicker, and then we have what?
Brain wedge.
What?
The failing what?
This class because we got no time.
I'm not gonna fail you.
Yeah, there you will.
Okay, you're right.
I was an engineer. Previous to being a teacher, I worked in power plants, and doing things with your hands is a dying skill. Nobody knows how to come out and run a mill or a lathe, and they don't know how to just build something. So I think it's important to get hands deep, go beyond, hey, this is just sitting in math class, let's get the application of the math.
For some people, that is the fun part, is coding, isn't just enjoying it, sitting down at a computer and typing things out to make other parts of our robot that's already either pre-built or soon to be built, made and movable.
It teaches you how to, I guess, get over social anxiety with other teams, because you have to scout and talk with other people and actually play matches with and against other people. So you do a lot of social work with that.
I measure success based on how my students do after high school. Do they get to go work and make a living off something they love? And does that job provide for their family? So when they go out and they get a job, that's my measurement of success.
How'd it go?
Pretty good. We're still waiting for it to, for them to finalize the score. I'm not confident that we won it, but I'm confident that we did well.
I think you should join robotics because it just helps you in your future, your career, and just overall having a community you get along with and who you're with.
If you are very confused of what you want to do in the future, since it is coming soon, I would recommend this class above others.
I've enjoyed it so much. I talked to my parents about it. They wish they had this during their time. I'm so glad I have it. I hope that I can get as many kids as possible to share that same experience with.